So this wee beefcake right here is their fresh new OMEN Transcend 14. It's OMEN's first 14-inch gaming laptop, and it may be a lightweight, but it's a proper beastly machine. Decked out with Intel Core Ultra Smarts and a bit of GeForce RTX 4000 series graphics. So you can smack online folk in the chops over and over with a silky smooth frame rate and some gorgeous poppy graphics. Now this right here is a pre-production Transcend 14 that OMEN sent me to have a squint at. You can pre-order your very own Transcend 14 using the link in the video description, and at the same time bag yourself a HyperX Cloud 3 wireless gaming headset or a £100 Curry's voucher to spend on even more tasty tech as long as you pre-order before February the 4th. Now the OMEN Transcend starts shipping middle of February. Let's have a good hard look at it now, and a massive thanks to OMEN for sponsoring this video. Cheers! Now despite packing some serious specs, the OMEN Transcend 14 weighs just 1.6 kilos. It's OMEN's lightest laptop to date and ridiculously portable for something so powerful. And that's great news because it means you can get gaming wherever you wander to. You certainly don't need to take a break just because you're on the bus, on the toilet, whatever. And the OMEN Transcend 14 boasts a sleek and yet subtle design. You won't look like a total dilbert when you pull this thing out in a cafe or during a lecture or whatever. And this is the shadow black model, but you can also grab the OMEN Transcend 14 in ceramic white if you fancy a brighter, bolder finish. And this mini gaming marvel boasts a respectable selection of ports. So you've got yourself a bit of Thunderbolt 4 action with DisplayPort 1.4 output. Around the other side here you've got a pair of USB-A ports. And then around back, the OMEN Transcend 14 also serves up a USB Type-C port and a bit of HDMI 2.1. As for that multi-zone keyboard, well, as you can see, bit of a Bobby Dazzler. You got the usual obligatory RGB shenanigans. You can turn the Transcend 14 into a portable light show. Get a disco on the go wherever you roam. And of course, the keyboard lighting is fully customizable using the OMEN Light Studio. You can choose from a great range of presets, otherwise set up your own. There's a quad zone configuration. You can set up each zone individually. And it's a comfortable keyboard too. Nice firm action and respectable travel considering it's a fairly skinny laptop. And I'm also loving that gorgeous 14-inch OLED display which practically fills the inside of the lid. The only real bezel action is down below. It's a 2.8K resolution screen, 2880 by 1800 pixels, so beautifully crisp. And those colours are pleasingly vivid, so any brighter titles like Street Fighter really pop off this thing. You got full HDR support as well, and up to 500 nits at peak brightness. So you can happily game on the go and not have to squint to see what you're doing. And you got full variable refresh rate support, maxing out at 120 Hz. And whether you're gaming or kicking back with a bit of Netflix or whatever, gotta love that stereo speaker setup. This pumps out a wonderfully crisp audio, and when you max out that volume, it's got a real kick to it too. And full DTS:X Ultra support as well, so you can really enjoy a proper surround sound experience. And squirreled away in the OMEN Transcend 14's top bezel is a Full HD 1080p webcam. And this boasts a great selection of fully customizable AI-led camera features. So for instance, you can blur out your background, otherwise swap it out for a more colourful affair. Particularly useful if your house is a total dump. And you've also got a bit of auto framing action and video noise removal. And you've also got a dual array mic setup in here, complete with background noise and echo removal tools, which is very handy if you're trying to get some gaming on the go and your environment is less than ideal, e.g. you've got screaming kids running around in the background, ruining the atmos. And don't be fooled by the OMEN Transcend 14's dinky frame, because this mini gaming laptop packs a proper punch. The OMEN Transcend 14 boasts Intel Core Ultra Smarts, either an Ultra 7 or an Ultra 9, which is a first for a 14-inch gaming laptop like this. And that's backed by either 16 or 32 gigs of RAM. As for the visuals, well, those are handled by one of Nvidia's GeForce RTX 4000 series laptop GPUs. The 4050, 4060 or 4070. So of course you've got full ray tracing shenanigans, all the good stuff. And as always, you've got full control thanks to the OMEN Gaming Hub. For one, you can keep tabs on your laptop's vitals, just make sure everything's running as it should. And then if you dive on into performance control, you can switch it up between 3 different modes. Got eco if you're just chilling out, watching a bit of Netflix or whatever. Balanced if you're doing a mixture of tasks. And then when you want to get some gaming on the go, definitely shove it up to performance mode. And even though this was a pre-production model, so not up to the full capacity of the actual retail model, I still really enjoyed blasting through a good bit of Returnal. I also tried my hand at Palworld, which I'm not entirely sure I understood. Seems to be a bit like a 3D Pokemon where you can also batter a chicken to death and then roll it out to sea, if that's what you're into. And Street Fighter was a beautifully creamy smooth experience and really made the most of that bright, crisp, poppy display. And OMEN's built-in dedicated cooling system should keep those games running smoothly for hours at a time. And of course, you've got full control over those thermals in the gaming hub. And so far, it's cracking stuff, so I really can't wait to get my hands on the full final retail model of the OMEN Transcend 14, give it a proper testing out for an in-depth review. As for your storage, well, packed inside of the OMEN Transcend 14, you've got a PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, minimum half a terabyte, upgradable to 2. And OMEN reckons you'll get over 11 hours of battery life from a full charge, although obviously that will drop if you are doing a good bit of gaming. And using the bundled 140 watt power adapter, you can get a half charge in just 30 minutes. So that right there in a delicious wee nutshell is the fresh new OMEN Transcend 14. And if you want a beefcake of a gaming machine that you can effortlessly carry about wherever you wander, certainly well worth considering. As I say, full review hopefully coming next month. Check out all the pre-order details and links and everything in the video description. A massive thanks again to OMEN for sponsoring this video. Please do subscribe, ding that notifications bell, all the usual YouTube shenanigans, and have yourselves a bloody wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everyone, love you.